Maharashtra State Election Commission norms are that a political party must submit regular accounts and other things. The norms are there. Unfortunately, there has been some lapses on our part. After we received a show cause notice, we had given an application to Maharashtra State Election Commission requesting them to condone our lapses. And then we submitted all the documents, but I think it was too late. But we'll definitely go and appeal to the Maharashtra State Election Commission. And in future, we'll abide by all the norms which are prescribed to all the political parties.